Is it a counterfeit fake or the real deal? One Bell & Howell Tac like I have here I ordered from eBay and it was shipped from China. The other I purchased at Walmart. As you can see, the boxes are similar and even have the same UPC. The layouts are different, but they use the same pictures and have the same information. This one through eBay was shipped from China in this plastic bag, which is why the box is damaged. But it was only $4.88 and that included shipping. This one I got at my local Walmart. It was $21.27 and that included tax. Let's check them out. If you haven't seen my video where I compared 6 different tactical lights, including a genuine law enforcement issued light, I'll leave a link in the description and at the end of this video. Please check that out and subscribe to my channel for more. This one was 1/4 of the price, but is a counterfeit. They do use similar packaging. The one from China does not include instructions though. They both definitely look about the same, but it's really about how they function. I'm going to take some basic measurements and I'll put them on the screen. I contacted Bell & Howell to help guide me on what to look for in a genuine flashlight, but they have not responded. As you can see, they have some distinct differences between these flashlights in diameter and the weight. Next, I'll put some fresh AAA batteries in each and see how they function, and then check their brightness. The one from Walmart has China printed on the bottom and Bell & Howell on the side, but I don't see anything printed on the eBay one. Interestingly, they also have different colored and sized buttons. This one works well and does have 5 functions I can cycle through by clicking the button. The battery holder on each look and feel about the same. They operate differently though. This one shuts off between functions, but it does not have the 5 functions as advertised on the box. The most I'm able to get is 3. I'll use my light meter to check how bright each are. I'll do so from a distance of about 20 inches or 53 centimeters, and I'll use the brightest setting on flood to see what the result is. Walmart is 9,700 lux. The one I got from eBay, shipped from China, is 5,200 lux. Here I have them shining on a wall about 8 feet away or 2.1 meters. It's at night, and you can clearly see the difference. eBay's on the left and Walmart's on the right, and this is on the spot function. So what do you think? Is the one from eBay fake, or maybe a factory second, or an older model? Leave your comment below, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel for more. Be sure to click on the link on the right to see the comparisons of the 6 different tac lights that I did. Thanks for watching.